Sponsored by.
For the third consecutive session on June 7, Indian benchmark indices ended higher with Nifty around 23,300. According to research analysts, the Sensex was up 1,618.85 points or 2.16% at 76,693.36. And the Nifty was up 468.80 points or 2.05% at 23,290.20. Indian rupee ended 9 paise higher at 83.38 per dollar on Friday against Thursday's previous close of 83.47. The anticipation of stability within the coalition government at the centre, coupled with RBI's upward revision of its growth forecast for financial year 25 to 7.2%, fueled a broad-based rally in the domestic market. The massive upward trend in the market was registered just a day after Congress Rahul Gandhi alleged that BJP was involved in what he termed as the biggest stock market scam. In a counter to false allegations of Congress, the BJP leader slammed Congress for spreading fake narratives, stating that in the past 10 years of Prime Minister Modi's government, the market capitalization of Indian stocks crossed $5 trillion. The record development in the stock market came 2 days after the market trend suffered a major bloodbath on the results counting day owing to uncertainty.
अलग अलग समय पे चुनाव आ रहे हैं तो चुनाव के हिसाब से अलग अलग आंकड़े जब रिजर्व बैंक पेश करता है, अलग अलग विकास के आंकड़े जब आते हैं, उसके हिसाब से इक्विटी मार्केट में बदलाव होते रहते हैं और ये दुनिया भर में इस प्रकार से इक्विटी मार्केट चलती है। कोई बड़ा इवेंट ना भी हो तो भी इक्विटी मार्केट में उतार चढ़ाव साधारणतः चलते रहते हैं। देखना यह रहता है कि लंबे अरसे में इक्विटी मार्केट में क्या हुआ है और आप सभी भली भांति जानते हैं, देश के लोग, देश के निवेशक जानते हैं कि पिछले 10 वर्ष के सफलतापूर्वक मोदी सरकार के कार्यकाल में हमारा मार्केट कैप पहली बार $5 ट्रिलियन से अधिक हुआ है।
The benchmark Sensex soared by more than 1,720 points or over 2% to hit lifetime intraday record highs on Friday after the Reserve Bank of India revised upwards the GDP growth projection to 7.2% for 2024-25 from 7% earlier. Sensex not only recovered all its loss made on June 4, the Lok Sabha elections result day, but also scaled past the exit poll day peak to fresh all-time record high levels. The 30-share BSE Sensex jumped 1,720.8 points to hit a record peak of 76,795.31 in a day trade, while NSE Nifty went up by 498.8 points to 23,320.20. The massive upward trend in the market trends came after RBI announced to keep the policy rate unchanged for the 8th time in a row, saying it will maintain a tight vigil on inflation. Notably, stock market experts and analysts believe that NDA winning the third successive term is a big positive and the continuity of power is a strong enough narrative to support the economy. Billionaire investor Mark Mobius expressed confidence that the Sensex can even hit the 1 lakh mark before Modi finishes his third term. Also, the rating agency Moody's on Wednesday said the victory of the BJP-led NDA in the recently concluded Indian general elections would result in policy continuity.